makes FTSO stand out? 5 key points. FTSO is enshrined into Flare's core protocol, inheriting the economic security of the entire network. FTSO is fast, updating with each new block on Flare every 1.8 seconds. FTSO can support up to 1,000 feeds across various asset classes including equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, with access to 2 weeks of historical data. Decentralized. Each FTSO v2 feed is supported by around 100 independent data providers who are selected by Flare users through their delegated stake, imposing a strict economic cost for misbehavior. Cost-effective. Block latency feeds in FTSO v2 are completely free to query. Feeds from scaling are also free to query and verify locally, with minimal gas costs for on-chain verification. Flare's FTSO is enshrined in the core protocol, meaning it benefits from the full economic security of the entire network. It's as secure as the blockchain itself. Not only is it fast, feeds are updated with each new block on Flare, roughly every 1.8 seconds. It is also verifiably decentralized. You can see how the consensus on the feeds is reached among 100 global, independent data providers in real time on Flare Systems Explorers. Additional benefits for developers. FTSO uses a large number of data providers to keep things fair. If they lie, they get penalized. If they provide good data, they get rewarded. This means FTSO doesn't rely on one company or an intern copy-pasting prices from a website. It's a robust, blockchain-native system that can't be easily tricked or taken down. We ensure that FTSO is scalable and cost-effective. Scalable. FTSO v2 supports up to 1,000 feeds across various asset classes, including equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, with access to 2 weeks of historical data. Cost-effective. Querying most block latency feeds from FTSO v2 is free on Flare.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.